Hi there. Let's talk about fish from China. Fish from China is a very big issue in Kenya because this fish from China is actually disrupting the market in Kenya. Before you want to discuss that in detail, you are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. By the way, if you know, consider subscribing to this channel because I'm out here bringing you awesome business news each and every day. Down there, click here button imeandikwa subscribe. Subscribe, and also while you add it, drop a like on this video. Having said that, look at this scenario. A kg of fish from China in Kenya goes at under 300 shillings, whereas fish which has been gotten within the country goes at upwards of 300 shillings per kilo. In essence, even can go to as high as almost 500 shillings per kilo. That is how the situation is in the country. And with that, it actually spells doom to the fishermen in the country because over time, it is bound to create unemployment. And even so, those who are benefiting from this fish business value chain most likely are going to also be affected big time. And that is what one MP from Nyanza, I think he's a Sembo, but I look exactly what the name of that particular parliamentary seat is, has actually put forth a proposal to amend the Excise Duty Act in Kenya to also include additional tax on fish coming into the country from China. Reason being, the end game is also to see how this fish from China can also be at par with regards to pricing of the local fish, or even make it more expensive so that the local produce has an advantage. Personally, I think if this passed, it is a good thing because it's gonna mean that also we're gonna boost local fish farming. Local fish farmers here and also people in the value chain are gonna be able to enjoy the benefits of their labor because at the moment, guys, hii soko imeharibika. Fish from China is much cheaper than fish which is actually coming from the country. And I think over time, this is the best thing for the country. What do you think? Even the fish you're eating, do you know where it comes from? Chances are it's coming from China and you don't know. But we think over time, we need to boost our own economy. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye-bye, and you all take care.